Hi guys, welcome to this video. So till our last video, we have completed up to 26th part, and now we are going to move on for the 27th part, which is nothing but the final part of our this jet engine model. So at finally, like we have created this inner body part. So let's go on for the next part. So the next part, the final part. So the final part, it will be as outer body. Okay, and create features. Okay, I think for the outer body, like we don't have any diagram for that because we need to create it by our own. So we can close this. And for this, I'm going to offset planes. Okay, okay. And let's go view on this. So for this outside, like for the outer body, I'm going to use style tool for this. Okay. So let's go for the style. Okay, let's hide all these except the plane display. Okay, so here it will be taken as this plane as my active plane. So I'm okay with that. Let's go for the sketch view. So let's hide all these little planes here. So here I'm going to create my outer body part. So for this, like I'm going on with this curve as a planar curve. And like I have explained about this entire spline tool in my channel. Like recently I have uploaded a video on the style tool tutorial. Like I will explain everything on this tutorial on the about the style tool. So if you guys don't have any idea about the style tool, you can directly go and watch that video because I don't have much time for explaining the style tool again in this video because it has like I have creating this part for over more than 10 hours. So it is very difficult for me to create a part by teaching you guys for the intent. I will explain like how I created this style tool, but I can't able to explain the each and every tools which are all in the style tool. Like I have explained in my previous video itself. If you guys don't watch that video, kindly go and watch. So then you guys can able to grab an idea of what is this style tool is about. Okay, so I'm going to tap a point here and here, here, and then here. Okay, so for the next curve, I'm going to draw from here, yeah, here, here, and then okay. So we have done. So let's click OK. So let's go for the curve. Now I'm going to draw the free curve here. So here at first, I'm going to draw a curve from here to here, and then one more curve from here to here. Okay. So then like click on OK. So let's go for the curve edit and let's check whether this is got placed on edge of this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we have done this. So now for the next, I'm going to create like one more curve for this. Okay. So yeah, let's go for the sketch view here, and I'm going for the curve, free curve again. Like select here and this edge. Okay, go for the curve edit. I'm going to drop this on this edge on the both side. Okay, so now we are completed our profile, but I need to extrude this. So for that, let's go for the curve edit. I'm going to select this curve. Let's look on this like yeah, sorry. Let's go for the right view. Yeah, it keep on moving for me. Okay, on this right view, so I'm going to make this, okay, it's green line. I'm going to make it as a normal to go for the plain display. Okay, normal to this front plane. Okay, so now let's go for the right view. Here I can drag like this. Okay, so I'm going to do the same on this side. Normal for this, normal for this front plane, and let's hide all these data planes. It may confuse us. So let's go for the right view. Here, let's drag this up to the reference that we need. So this will be fine. And for this, it will be fine. Okay, I think it looks very good. Okay, so now let's do the same for the other side for this curve also. Select this curve, for the curve edit, select this, and on the green line, I'm going to check as normal and plane display, select this front plane and drag like this. Okay, select this curve point and normal to this plane. Okay, so now let's go for the left view. Here, let's hide all these. I'm going to drag it like this on the other side as the same like this. Okay, let's reduce this and this too. Okay, we have done our sketch, and for the middle, we have to edit the same surface edit, sorry, the curve edit, and then let's go for the left view, and let's select this normal plane display and this front plane here, and select this, make it as a normal, and select this front plane. Okay, so now we can drag this like this. So this will be the central extrude. So this should have some height for this, this. Okay, so this will be based on our own dimensions. So if you need this, you can add this, or else you can directly skip this part and you can go for that. So I recommend you guys to work on the style tool because this is the tool for converting your imagination into a part. If you don't have any dimension, we can able to create our part by own like this without any dimensions. Okay. So we have created this. So let's go and make the surface. Okay. So let's hide all these. Go for the surface. Select this curve. Control key. This, and this curve. So the surface has been created here. I need this circle as a reference. So control key plus select this. So now our part is created. So it looks like very good. Okay, so I'm going to close this. I think everything is okay for me. I don't want to edit this anymore. I'm just going for the style, mirror to the front plane. Okay, so I'm going to merge this like this surface and this surface. I'm going to merge this as a single part. Okay, let's click on this. So I'm going to thicken this to a value of 5. So 5 is okay for me, but I'm going on with the value of 3 here. Okay. Okay, okay, as a symmetric textures. Okay. So now we have taken our part. So now we have created our part here. So we can just open this part and we can directly save this. Close and make this part active again and select this entire part active again. So let's turn off all these. Okay, looks really, really good. So let's regenerate and let's save this part. Okay, so that's all, guys. Like we have completed around 27 parts for this. It looks really, really good. Okay, so for the next, like I would like to add some more feature for this. So at first, I'm going to open it as my separate part here. So let's turn on all these data planes. Okay, let's go for the assembly. Okay, and this will have some increased length. This will have reduced. Okay, so I'm going to add my text here. So for that, going on with this, I'm going to create a plane from here like this. So let's go for the, okay, I can't able to create a view here. So I'm going to create a plane like this. Yeah, let's take it as 500. That's okay for me. So then I'm going to sketch on a new plane. Here I'm going to add a text like this. Okay, here the text will be Creo. Okay, so let's press escape and let's select all this. Let's go for rotate and resize. We can rotate this and we can place it in. Okay, it looks good. Okay, and this height value, go for the dimensions. Height value is 150 or 40. Yeah, I think 150 is good. Okay, let's select all this and let's, okay, we can shift like this. Rotate and resize. We can drag to the center position like this. Okay, okay. And then I'm going to add one more sketch here as the channel name. Okay, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to drag it this. Okay, so this height will be the same as 150 before. Okay, so let's add this. Okay, let's let this, rotate and resize, and let's drag at the center position. Okay, this looks good. Okay, it looks it looks fine for me. So yeah, okay. So now let's click on OK, and I'm going to extrude this. So it will take some time for generating our text into the extrude. Flip the direction and to selector this surface. Like it will take more time to generate our text into this. Okay, yeah, it looks good, good. So then click on OK here. Okay, our sketches got created. Okay, for that, like I need to select this offset and I need to flip the direction like this and let's 30 or 30. It's okay for me. And okay. So now I'm going to thicken this. Okay, so remove material feature. Okay, so then thicken value as 50. Okay, we need more value. Okay, let's increase this value as 80. Okay, so this is not even sufficient for us. So let's go on with the bigger values like 150. Let's check whether that is okay for me. Yeah, okay, looks exactly the same how I imagine. Okay, so let's save this. Okay, okay. So let's save this part, close this, and let's see in assembly how it exactly looks like. Seriously, I love it, guys. So we have completed this jet engine model. So now we can go for the yeah, we can go for creating servo motors. But before that, like let me have option for this style. Like if you hide this, okay, okay, good. And for the mirror, can sketch. Okay, I don't want the sketch to be viewed. And for the here also, we can see the sketches viewed here. I can go and hide the sketch and what are all the other sketches. If you have any view of the sketch, you can directly go and delete the sketch. Okay, hide sketch. We're not going to delete that. We are just going to hide the sketch. Okay. So we have completed our part. So let's go and have some sectional view for this. Okay, but I need this to be viewed on the back side. So let's go for this outer body. Let's open this part. Like I'm going to extrude sketch. So it's this, mirror this towards the center plane. Let's check whether this is working or not. I'm not sure whether this will work or not. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, it's like a thought like this entire text has been reversed here. So I don't want to make anything here. Okay. Let's just leave it like this. Close this. Okay. So okay. At first we need to go for the sectional view. Okay, so let's go for the section. Offset section is turn on the plane display. And okay, like I'm going to select this plane. So let's go for the sketch view. Okay, here I'm going to do like this. So we have to work on the left side, or else like if we go for the left view, we can also go by this. So let's hide all these datum planes. Okay, except this. Okay, I need to create a reference for this. Okay, now let's hide all these datum planes. So here, yeah. So like we can create on this base, but this base is good for me. Okay, okay. Yeah, one more minute, guys. Like I need to check this which side I want to view this part. Okay, if I create on this side, this text will be written right. So yeah, let's try with that. Let's see whether the text is written or not. So I'm going to create a line from this to this and one more line from this midpoint to here. And for the better viewing of this entire thing, I'm going to add an angle of 120. So for this angle, it will be look exactly the same. So here is 550. Okay, okay, can see. So This is not a good view. Okay, let's go for the, sorry, let's go for the sketch again. Okay, so here, this plane, sketch view. Okay, so let's draw a line from here to here, and then from here to here. And this angle is 120. Okay, so this will be fine for me. Okay, so this is okay for me. So just going on with this, but we need some exclude the selected items. So I'm going to select this blade and this and this part. Uh, okay, I don't want this. This part, blade, and all these like turbine blades. Okay, so then like, if you turn on this, it will not look good, right? Let's see. Okay, here and here and this, and these blades. Okay, so let's create this and let's make this also visible. And what else do we need to take? This pipe features, we need this to view. Okay, and what else? I think this is fine for me. We need this, you can click here, but I think if we don't have any features here, so we can turn it on. Okay, right. We turn on this. This view will hide the inner things. Okay, or else like we can have it as a view here. Okay, and then this, and this entire cone. Okay, I think my section view is got completed. So this view looks good, better than before, because on the outside cover, like for when we get this outside body, everything will be covered. Okay, so when we have section view, it looks really, really good. Okay, so let's create the mechanism for this. So go for the mechanism. Let's add some servo motors and first this pin mechanism and properties, angular velocity, and the coefficient as 30. Okay, another servo motor for the first blade here, same angular velocity as value of 30. Okay, and let's do this as the same for each and every blades. Okay, 30. Then for the third motor blade, angular velocity of 30. Okay, for the servo motors, this blade. Okay, we have completed this. Let's move on for this blade 30. And okay, so we are completed for all these blades. Let's go for this blades. Okay, yeah, servo motors, this blade, and angular velocity is a coefficient of 30. And for this 30, okay. Then for this 30, okay. The next is Okay, so now we have created around like, let's see how many motors that we have created here. Yeah, motors servo 1, 2, 3. Yeah, up to level motors we have created here. Okay, so now let's go for the mechanism analysis to run this entire jet engine. So before that, I'm going for the view and I'm going to add some appearances for our part. So yeah, this color for all these blades here for this blade, this and this. Okay. And for the inner color, I'm going to create a yellow color for this. Okay. But yeah, it's fine. But for the pipings, I need to provide a different color. It's a green color, so it should have some separate view, right? So what else do we need to have appearance? So I have missed here. So this will be the old part, right? For the inner, I need it as yellow color, and then yeah, fine. So let's go for the red color. I'm going to give this red for these inner parts. Okay, it looks good. When we give some appearances, it of part will be looked very good. Okay, so for this also red. Okay, and for this, I'm going to give, I don't know, this, go for the wood, and sorry, mist composite, fabric. Okay, let's add this brown color for this, and let's see whether it looks good or not. Okay, okay, it looks good. I'm okay with this color, and I think this sketch is visible, right? No, no, okay, it's good. So, okay, so for the outer, okay, for this also I need to give color, right? So, it's the same red color for this. Okay, and for the outer body, I'm going to give this green color for this. Okay, it looks really good. And red color for this part. And for this outer face, we can give this green color that looks good. Okay, it looks really good. Okay, like we have given some appearances for this part. So we can directly move forward with the mechanism analysis. So let's go for the mechanism analysis here. So let's keep it as default and this end time as 50 and the frame rate as 20. Let's see whether that is okay. Sorry, frame rate must be 10. Okay, run. Okay, let's make it like a little bit faster. It's 50 and this as 5. Okay, let's run this. Okay, it is really, really good. I'm completely satisfied with this because like I am doing this for over 10 hours for this single video. Okay, so that's all guys. Like we have created our jet engine finally. So yeah, like I will create a separate I will create a separate drawing sheet for this and I will share in the description as soon as possible. Okay. So then that's all, guys. So thanks for watching. So if you want more videos related mechanical engineering or any other content, you can comment below. And don't forget to like this video and share it to your friends like who are all working on this design software. Okay. So I don't want any kind of support from you guys. I just want a like for this video. So that is the love that you are showing to me, right? So thank you all. Okay, guys. So we will see in upcoming videos. Until then, bye.